Hi, I'm Kelly from the Behaviour Support Service Forest Schools team, and welcome to our second Wild Wellbeing video. Today we thought we'd share with you some den building that we've been up to this weekend, and we thought it was a great idea because you could create them for your yard like we have this big one. You could create them maybe for your garden, maybe a few for your garden. You could even do them on the school grounds and play some games in them, or just have them as a cozy little place to hang out in and chill out in. You could even make them for your bedrooms and your living room as a nice little space, maybe even a workspace, or just somewhere to have a picnic in, or maybe put some cuddly toys in, because we all need a bit of nurture right now, and we all need some nice spaces that we can relax in, and maybe a little space that we can share with each other. So we're going to start by showing you on a small scale model, and you can then scale it up if you want to. We've got a helper today, which is this Scarlet the squirrel. So you need 3 sticks. They don't have to be the same size, but we're using the same size because we want to make an even tripod. But pick up your sticks on your daily walk as part of your exercise, or you might have some hanging around. We got these from the alleyway. And the first thing you need to do is just to tie a knot onto one end. Now, I'm not going to get technical and start talking about the different types of knots. We can do, but not on this video. We're going to keep it really straightforward. And you make a little gnome's fishing rod like that on one of your sticks. Then you need your next 2 sticks. Thank you. Can I have all of them? Cheeky squirrel. And what you need to do next is just wrap your string around those sticks a few times. And we're going to go around, whip them around 4 or 5 times. Yep. So tie it onto one stick, wrap around all the 3. Now this is the bit of the tricky bit. All you've got to do is bring the string up in between sticks 1 and 2. And I'm going to go down and just do that twice. And you want to pull it tight, but not too tight. Yep. And now I'm going to go in between sticks 2 and 3. Yep. And you might want a little helper to do this with you. Or it's really great for fine motor movement. Or you might have a little helper watching, that's fine. You might do this as an extension activity, something to do with design tech, maybe. And then you just need to tie, and a simple way to do it is just tie those 2 ends together. Yeah. Or you could just tie that to another stick if you like. But I'm just going to tie it on here. Don't worry about what knots you're using. Yeah, just secure it. And you could double that if you wanted to. Now, should we see if it's worked? Oh, I've got a helper here. Thanks, Scarlet. And let's see if our tripod's worked. Oh, she's getting in it. She's nice and cosy. Let's see if someone else would like to go in there. There you go. It's a bit better for Mr. Hedgehog, but he's missing something. So we've got a little bit of cloth here. Tilda, would you like to put it on? Yeah, there's a little hole in the middle there. So I've got a piece of cloth and I've just made a hole in the middle. And Tilda's just...
I don't think it's quite in the middle. It's like
yeah, just to one side. That's fine, isn't it? And you pull it on, and then you can wrap this around to make it nice and cozy. Now if you wanted to, you could put some more holes in there to tie it on, and you could use a sheet, dust sheet, bed sheet, old tablecloth, blankets, yeah, anything you like. If you're doing it outside, it might be better to use a tarp or something a bit more waterproof, or if it's a nice sunny day, you could just use some sheets again. Yeah. And you could create this for some cuddly toys. There's all sorts of imaginative role play that could happen now you've got some little dens, or you scale it up and make it for yourselves. And I'm going to show you another one. I'm just going to fold this down for you as well to show you how small they pack. So there, you could put that away for next time.
You could take it camping.
You could take it camping, yeah. And the next thing we're going to show you is same thing again, but this time we're just using 2 sticks, and we've just done the same. We've wrapped around